KINGREAL SLITTER offers a comprehensive machine acceptance service, demonstrating a high level of responsibility regarding machine quality and operation. 1. Component inspection. Upon completion of equipment manufacturing, KINGREAL's quality control (QC) team measures the precision of every part of the production line. Special attention is paid to critical components of the slitting machine, such as slitting blades and blade holders, as the precision of blades and arbor significantly impacts the accuracy of the finished slit product. Component dry run testing. While the equipment is in the showroom, the QC team conducts multiple dry run tests on every component of the production line, including the uncoiler, leveler, side guides, slitting blade holders, scrap collection unit, tension station, and recoiler. The objective is to ensure error-free operation of each component and to identify, report, and resolve any issues proactively. The QC team documents the entire testing process and provides feedback to the customer to keep them updated on the equipment's status. Production line trial run. This stage requires specific conditions to be met, specifically regarding the slitting machine configuration, available floor space, and customer requirements. Once these criteria are satisfied, KINGREAL SLITTER assists the customer in testing the production line. Under the supervision of the QC team, operators load the coil, perform a full production commissioning process, and conduct performance tests. Operators monitor the line for any malfunctions while simultaneously checking if the finished product meets the customer's standards, making adjustments and modifications as necessary. Customer acceptance. Following the successful completion of the aforementioned checks, KINGREAL SLITTER invites the customer to the factory for an on-site or online acceptance inspection. During this phase, the QC team conducts a fully transparent inspection and test of the machine alongside the customer. If the customer cannot visit in person, the QC team connects with them remotely to provide explanations and answer questions, ensuring the equipment meets acceptance standards. Should the customer have any requests for modifications, the QC team records and addresses each point, making revisions until the customer is fully satisfied. Shipment. The above outlines the complete acceptance process. KINGREAL SLITTER arranges shipment only after the customer has successfully approved the equipment. Following proper packaging and logistics tracking, the machine is delivered to the customer's factory. After-sales service. Upon the machine's arrival at the customer's facility, KINGREAL engineers will visit the site to assist with optimizing the machine layout, installing the production line, and conducting performance testing, ensuring the customer can utilize the equipment effectively. KINGREAL SLITTER has established local after-sales networks across the Middle East, Europe, the Americas, and Asia, backed by extensive project experience. Please contact KINGREAL for your needs.